Good morning, student. Student, let's continue the revision topic trigonometry. Student, question is: in an acute angle triangle ABC, if sine A plus B minus C is 1 by 2 and cos B plus C minus A is 1 upon root 2. Find angle A, angle B and angle C. Student, see the solution. Student, as you know, in the trigonometrical table, value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. Therefore, sine of A plus B minus C equal to sine of 30 degree. Because 1 by 2 in the sine table is 30 degree. This implies that A plus B minus C equal to 30 degree. It is equation 1. Now, cos B plus C minus A is 1 upon root 2. This is the value of cos 45 degree. If you learn the table, you will see cos 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. From this, we will get B plus C minus A is 45 degree. This is equation 2. Now we will solve equation 1 and 2. So, adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Question is why we are adding? Because here A and C are having opposite sign. So A plus B minus C is 30 degree and B plus C minus A is 45 degree. After adding, here A is cancelled, C is cancelled, 2B equal to 75 degree. From this, we will get B equal to 7.5 degree. Or we can say 37.5 degree. Now, we will subtract these two equations. So, 1 minus 2 is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is B plus C minus A is 45 degree and A plus B minus C is 30 degree. When we subtract them, we will get minus, minus, plus. So here, sine of B are opposite. Then it is 2C minus 2A equal to 15 degree. And C minus A equal to 7.5 degree. Now, we know that sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Means A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Here, we know the value of B. Value of B is 37.5 degree. So A plus C is 180 minus 37.5 degree. Now we subtract them. We will get it is 0.5, then it is 2, then it is 4 and 1. 142.5 degree. It is A plus C. And A minus C is 7.5 degree. Therefore, on adding CC cancel, 2A equal to 0.5 by 0, it is 0, it is 1, 5. Then A equal to 75 degree. Then C, A plus C is 42, so angle C is 142.5 degree minus 75 degree. We will get 0.5, then it is 7, or it is 6. It is 67.5 degree. So this way we will get all the angles. Angle A 75 degree, angle B 37.5 degree, and angle C is 67.5 degree. If we add them, so we will get 180 degree. Student, there is a silly mistake. There is C minus A. Value of C minus A is 7.5. So here A is cancelled. This is the value of C. And value of A is 67.5 degree. Now student, next is again good question. If tan A plus B is root 3 and tan A minus B is 1 upon root 3, find A and B. And also calculate tan A into sin A plus B plus cos A into tan A minus B. That you have to calculate. So, is a simple one. See the solution. Student, since root 3 equal to tan 60 degree, therefore tan A plus B is tan 60, and from this we will get A plus B equal to 60 degree. It is equation 1. And tan A minus B equal to tan 30 degree. Since tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, from this we will get A minus B, which is 30 degree. Now it is equation 2. Now adding 1 and 2, we will get value of A, it is 45 degree. Then putting the value of A in equation 1, we will get angle B, it is 60 minus 45, or it is 15 degree. So here we will get A and B. Now to calculate this result, as a value of tan A, here A is 45, so tan 45 degree. Then sin of A plus B is 60, sin 60 degree, plus cos A is 45, cos 45 degree, and tan A minus B is directly given, it is 1 upon root 3, tan 45 1, sin 60 root 3 by 2, plus 1 upon root 2, cos 45 into 1 upon root 3. Then it is root 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon root 6. Now we will take the LCM. LCM is 2 root 6. Then 3 6 are 18. It is root 18 plus 2. Here 9 to 80, so it is 3 root 2 plus 2 upon 2 root 6. Student, root 2 is common. Then it is 3 plus root 2 upon 2 into root 2 into root 3. Root 2 cancel. So, value of this term is 3 plus root 2 upon 2 root 3.